decision in asking for an extension of martial law for 5 months?
But hindi ako naghingi.
Yes, sir.
I recommended it to Congress because that is what the military and the police were asking. They are the ones who are fighting there. I go the other ones in a while. Once I was able to penetrate Ranao, stay there. The bullets were flying. Hindi naman ako nagpapatabang-tapangan kasi covered kami sa simento sa stage. Pero yung bala noon umaabot doon sa landing ng chopper. So, alam ko na in the short time that I was there, I counted about 16 explosions.
Sir, did your visit play a role in changing or say making up your mind about asking for extension of 5 months? Because on July 11, sir, when you visited the Philippine Stock Exchange, you made a statement that you only need 15 days to resolve the crisis in Marawi. But
yes, correct. That's even too long. I said it about a few days, 3. Hindi namin alam. And there was this failure of intelligence actually. Hindi namin alam gaano kalalim na pala. There were tunnels there and they were stacking explosives until now. It seems to be it's not exhausted. Hanggang ngayon sila nagtataka kung saan kinukuha. So in other words, the build-up was there for many months. Hindi ko sinasabi na I'm blaming the Maranao. I'm blaming the Maranaos who are in cahoots with the terrorists because obviously the stockpile was there for so long a time. Hindi maubusan Hindi maubusan ng bala pati explosives. Now it turns out that they have plenty still. So nagkamali kami doon. Ang ibig sabihin, if that is what you want, there was a mistake in the evaluation or assessment.
Thank you.
Pero kung nakatira kami sa mga Makati, Marawi, nalaman namin yun. The tunnels are just like what the Viet Congs built in Saigon. Lusot-lusot, South Vietnam, not Saigon as a city. But yung tunnels nila sa bukid, those were discovered only after the Americans left Vietnam. And despite or in spite of their technology, hindi nila nalaman yun. Tayo rin. And we will only know how extensive it is, gaano kalawak yan, when we finally prevail over Marawi. At this time, we are in a hurry, and I do not recommend assaulting the place where the civilians are being hostaged, because it will be a more odious thing to hear for the Filipinos.